Okay, this is enhancement number 2, and this one's already up, so I'll just show it to you really quick. This is number 5, the delete, and then oh, there it is. Okay, and I guess since we did number 5, let's go backwards. And that one worked before. Yeah, it worked. Did it work? There we go. That one works. That one works. You can see right there it says climbing rope. This one was really hard. I was not impressed. It took a long time for me to do this one. That one works. I apologize that this is so late. I ended up having to drive truck a lot more this week than what I've ever had to in the past. So it's been a little harder to get everything done. And then week number 1 just about did me in. Okay, you can see that that's inserted. I also have right here, this shows that it did insert Tony Stark. Okay, so that takes care of that one. The next one that you need to see is, I can get it to move. You need to see that there is a 500 PHP, and you need to see that there is this one, so Acme Connect, and then here's my enhanced 2. We'll make this full size so you can see it. Oh, let's not make me panic too much there. Okay, I'm still learning all these things. And here is a thing. I need to just go in and fix my CSS right there. That won't take me very long, but you can see it is responsive. Okay, so that is my week 2, and for my enhancement 2 stuff, thank you very much, and we'll see you with enhancement 3.